Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of data on Bumble app. You click on settings. Here in this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. You will search about Bumble app and you will click here. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.